Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Barker, and I joined California Medical in May of 2012. I lost 60 pounds with this program, which put me to a total of 100 pounds down from my maximum weight. On the same day that I joined as a patient, I decided for sure to bring this into my practice and am now working with many other patients to achieve their lifetime goal of losing weight and becoming healthy. I was put onto this program by a friend, initially as a business venture. As I looked into it, I decided it might be my answer to avoiding bariatric surgery, type 2 diabetes, and all the other problems that I was headed toward, knowing that those were in my family and I was headed that direction. This program has changed my life in so many ways that have nothing to do with the finances of running a business. I went from being a 300-pound doctor who had to commiserate with patients and couldn't help them lose weight because I couldn't show them how, to being able to give them the attitude of success and the ability to move forward. My feet don't hurt, my back doesn't hurt, my hips don't hurt. I've gone from being mostly sedentary and occasionally playing golf using a cart to truly enjoying mountain biking, wakeboarding, becoming a better snow skier 100 pounds down, and really enjoying activities with my kids. The nutrition part of this program has been spectacular. I met with the nutritionist out in California who helped develop the program and learned a great deal from her. I went from being a meat, bread, and potatoes patient to someone who truly will eat more food, cut back on my desserts, cut back on some of the bready things, and found that certain foods really did make me hungry. When I've stopped those, I can actually sense being full. I can now truly go out to eat, make good choices, and leave without feeling miserable. It's been a great change. I found some successes and a few epic failures after my weight loss. Back before the weight loss at 320 pounds, I could never get up on water skis. Now I've been up on water skis, now I've been up on a wakeboard, and I hurt my back wakeboarding. Just because you lose weight doesn't mean you got younger or smarter. I found that snow skiing is so much more fun with my children, carrying extra activities, doing extra things, riding mountain bikes for 2 hours at a time without getting tired. My ability to get into a roller coaster and actually buckle in and not wonder about whether the thing will latch. My ability to call and get on an airplane without wondering whether anyone is going to try to sit beside me because I'm using that part of the seat. My ability to sit in regular furniture or go into a clothing store and find clothes that are actually in my size on the rack and not have to go order them later. There's been so many things that just changed, and from the doctor standpoint, that's great, but from the personal standpoint, I'm amazed. When I initially started the program, I went to California and I spent 3 days out there, but didn't take any of my staff with me. When I came back, I tried to bring that energy level and think that we have really nailed it with a staff that is so excited to help people lose weight. We start off with the joys of you're going to do better, and then every week when people come in, we are just truly rejoicing, being excited, and getting in there with the patient in their journey to becoming healthy. To the general public, if you're motivated, really want to lose weight, want to avoid surgery, and are ready to make a change, this program will work. I've tried it, I understand it, my patients have tried it, my family has tried it, it's been amazing. One of the big changes in my life, I went to San Antonio with my kids several years ago, got into a roller coaster, and it was one of those that buckles over the top. We got it buckled, but I couldn't breathe, and that's a terrible sensation. The ability to go into a regular store, buy normal clothes that everybody else would wear, and not have to special order has been spectacular. I'm just amazed at the changes this has made. I'd also like to tell you about my parents. My parents are 67 years old, and both were getting sick. Both were getting tired. Both couldn't do what they wanted to do. They had retired from being college professors. We went on a ski trip, and on that ski trip, I had lost close to 100 pounds. My parents both looked at me and said, "It's time. We need to do your program." Since then, my dad has lost over 50 pounds. My mom is right there with him. They are involved in activities that they never thought they would do. They're traveling to Europe for 29 days coming up after they were afraid they wouldn't be able to go across the town just recently. This program is changing lives. It changed mine, but through changing mine, it's changed those around me. I recommend it. My mom had lung cancer, and they did the surgery just 3 months ago. Lung cancer is a big surgery. They took out a lobe of her lung. But because she'd lost 40 to 50 pounds recently, started being active, started being truly healthy, she pulled through that surgery great and is looking amazing. I want to thank California Medical for coming into my life and then for my ability to change her life.